Guys, it's Steve here from over at PVE again, and I'm Adam. So, last time Adam was here, he brought something pretty cool. This time, I could go for this reveal thing in a minute. This time he's done it again. So here we go. Peugeot 205 T16 in rally spec. I'm sure you'll agree it's pretty sweet. I'll try and do a bit of a walk around with it. I'm not very good at these videos, as I'm sure you're aware. We're going to run it up in a bit. Obviously, I'll put up a little video for you of it running up. Adam down at AM Cars down in Ilminster, he's been doing a load of prep work to it. We've just had to do a few little bits and pieces, a few wiring jobs to it. We're going to run it up, obviously make sure it's all nice and safe. We tuned it a little while ago, but since Dave's put a new turbocharger on the vehicle, Dave is the owner and he's crazy. He's got all sorts of cool stuff. Yeah, I don't know what else to say really, other than I'll run it up. I'll put the little new GoPro thing up in the corner. I'll put some links down to Adam's place, AM Cars, and mine of course. Enjoy.